how to fix Valorant connection error. If you want to fix this error, it's easy. First type here Windows security, you will find it like that. Now once you're here, all you need to do, just click manage settings and scroll down until you find exclusions. Add or remove exclusions, click yes, and then add an exclusion and select file. And after that, all you need to do, you need to find your Riot Games folder. If you want to find it, just right click on Valorant icon and then open file location, click here Riot Games, and here we'll find Valorant. And that's it. Now let's just go back, and here's it, Riot Games. I have it here in disk D, then Valorant, live, shooter game, binaries, Win64. Scroll down until you find Valorant, right click on it, and then click select, and that's it. Now just restart your PC and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.